Hi, my name is Dane Olson, and I'm a certified specialist in spirits and a bartender here at Portuguese Bend Distilling. And today we're going to make the Rosa 75. It's a twist on the classic French 75 cocktail, which is named after the World War I artillery piece, and first appears at Harry's New York bar in Paris in the early 1900s. It comes originally with a cognac base, but later it's published in his book, The ABCs of How to Mix a Cocktail, and published in 1919 with a gin base, and that's what one we're more familiar with. So we're going to go ahead and make the cocktail for you. All right, to make the Rosa 75, quite simple. We're going to start with our Donna Rosa gin. 1 ounce of that. An ounce and a quarter of our strawberry simple syrup. Just a little bit more. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Shake that up. I'm going to strain into a champagne flute. I like to double strain here with the fine mesh strainer. Get all the little bits out. And we'll top up with some champagne. And for garnish, a little bit of dehydrated strawberries, or a little aromatics. There we have it, the Rosa 75 for you.
Hi, my name is Simon Haxton. I'm the Spirit Czar here at Portuguese Bend Distilling. I want to talk to you a little bit about our sustainable practices, as well as what it means to be grain to glass. First of all, we are very conscientious about the amount of water that we use here at the distillery. It can be very water consumptive, so we do spend a lot of time thinking about ways that we can reuse water and repurpose water that we use for processing here in the distillery. Additionally, when we are managing our grains, any grains that we utilize to create our products, once they are spent or spent grains, we collect those and we don't throw them away. We actually give them to farmers that can then feed those to their cattle. Lastly, we are very conservative when it comes to what types of wood and what wood processes we use for aging our products. In that way, we can ensure that we're conserving as many trees as we possibly can. And lastly, what it means to be grain to glass. So we are a grain to glass distillery. We make everything from scratch. We source all of our grains from here in California as much as we can. We also source from farmers that use sustainable practices such as no-till, which conserves soil, and responsible irrigation practices, which again saves as much water as possible, which is very important here in the state of California. So next time you're in downtown Long Beach, please stop by, come and see the distillery. Everything's behind the glass, everything's made here on site, and we'd love to tell you more.